Hey guys, before this video starts, I wanted to tell you, I'm just kidding, I couldn't do this seriously. But seriously, before this video starts, today I'm gonna run the last day of the free shirt sale for JDM brand. If you guys wanna grab a free shirt, literally it's a free shirt. I charge you guys the same shipping rate as anybody else in this world. We just have a lot of overstock, so I want to get rid of it for you guys, really good deals. So grab the free shirt. If you're local to the Southern California area, I might be delivering it for you guys, so that'd be kind of cool. But anyways, enjoy the video, watch it. I really enjoy doing this. I know it's a big waste of time because like we're driving for so long. I don't see it as a waste of time. But other people is like, why would you deliver? I don't know. I just enjoy it. I love the reactions of people. It kind of like humbles me down too. Anyways, go ahead and watch the video. Use the code FREESHIRT if you guys want a free shirt, and I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. Peace. What's up guys, good morning. It is raining quite hard. It's raining really hard. There's traffic. We're supposed to head to OC to do deliveries, but we're actually gonna reroute to do IE. The dedication is real, rain or shine, to integrate delivery services at your service. All right, let's go. Oh man, it's so wet right now. This is nice. Yeah. Oh, so, hi, is Ryan on? So Ryan ordered some products from my company. Here you go. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking it. Tell him sweet dreams. No sorry we missed him.
No worries.
It's all wet. Don't slip, bro. Don't slip. Oh shit. It's slippery. Hey, the mom was like really sweet.
She was really nice.
It's like, do you have cookies for me? Right? So he was sleeping, Ryan. I know you were sleeping, so sorry I missed you. Low-key was gonna be like, hey mom, can you wake him up? But I don't know if you work late and stuff like that, but I came to drop off for you, so thank you so much for supporting us. And on to the next route.
Next one.
All right, we drove almost an hour and a half away, but we're here for the next route. Hopefully somebody, there's a motorcycle over here. Oh, doggy. Nobody home.
Nobody home. That dog's pissed.
Oh, my chicken scratch handwriting.
Oh.
I have terrible handwriting. Is anyone else writing caps? I write all caps. Yeah, no.
What the heck?
Always. Let me see. I'll put it right here.
Where
Rob?
are we? What happened? Where are we?
Why are we on a dirt road?
I don't know.
Why are we on a dirt road?
What the fuck?
What the heck? I guess we're off.
Shit.
Oh, dude, this Tesla's gonna be so dirty.
What the fuck? Wait.
This is weird. Hey, it's Mike. Do you wanna create Smurfinwrx? I'm at your gate delivering your package.
Mike, oh no way!
Yeah, dude, we drove all the way out here for you. Are you home?
Yeah, I was watching you guys. That's so cool. But I'm actually on my way to the hospital.
Oh shit! Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm actually a cancer patient.
Bye. All right.
That is sick.
That is super cool.
What the hell? How'd you get
Dang. That is pretty. All right, dude. Sorry I missed you. Thanks for answering the phone call, by the way. The gate's really cool. You dial it and it calls them. But yeah, good recovery. And we're gonna drop off for you right now. Hit me up on the DM. We got three of them right here. I got you, buddy. Good morning, guys. We are at a Tesla dealership. Not to buy a new car, but we are here charging. And here is a black Model X. I'm sorry, white Model X with black interior. I don't know, Rob. I still like white interior. Oh no.
Done taking a pee-pee?
They have free coffee at dealerships.
Free?
Yeah, I want to see it.
Are they good? Is it good?
I don't know, coffee.
Let's go look.
So, like, apparently they have free coffee. All right, we're at a body shop. Hopefully, he's here.
Or it's been lost?
Yeah,
it's
it's here. It's here. So I came to deliver it personally. Dude, you've been a member for like a long time. Got all the boxes. This is your shop?
Yes, sir.
Dude, let's take a look around.
Sounds good, man. It's kind of messy, but
Yeah, no, it's good. Dude, that is so cool. I've never seen, actually in person, people putting it on boxes. That's so cool. Look, he's got some here. Hey, Rob, that was a good spot.
That was good.
You know, the coolest part with this guy was not a fan.
Yeah.
He's a fan of tuner crates.
Yeah,
That is so rewarding because that means we've created good product, right? Not because they're buying just because of me. That feels very good. And he used our stuff.
Yeah, he has like the Bobcat. Like,
Yeah, OG. Rob,
dude, they're towing it.
Rob, what is this?
It's R32.
Oh shit!
Damn.
Damn it! Hey, you ready?
What?
A heist.
Pull it.
Pull it.
I'm gonna jump.
Go.
23rd Street.
Next stop, another tuner crate member. Oh, there's a kitty cat. Hi, cat. There's a ring doorbell. Nobody home, so I'm gonna drop off.
There it is. Damn.
It's windy.
Super nice.
Boom, into the mail.
That's it.
I hope this guy's home. Melvin, please be home.
Left to stay on Delano Boulevard.
So theoretically, I hopped the fence. Theoretically, to deliver. I'm so dedicated. Theoretically, I scaled the fence for this.
Hopefully he's home.
I also tried to open it with a knife.
Door with the we look hella sketchy right now.
personal delivery. Hi. Nice cars. Look at this. This one and that one. But here's your package. Can I check out the car? Yeah. Sweet. Bye guys. Thank you. It is raining so hard out here, David. I'm here to drop off your package. Oh, I need a Sharpie. This is David. He just woke up, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, good weekend, but
Sunday.
thank you so much for ordering and supporting the company.
Thank you very much.
Oh, damn. Look at the nice car. Well, hopefully he answered. Hello. So good morning.
What's up, brother?
You actually answered.
Welcome to Glendale.
Damn.
This is the city of the 818 right here.
Nice weather.
Beautiful day out.
Nice
Beautiful.
weather. Thank you for supporting us.
Thank you, brother. Thank you for making it all the way from OC, all the way out here to LA, to the Glendale side. Man.
It's pretty damn far. So we made the trip over here today. Rob was gonna leave because no one was answering the door. I'm glad you did.
Woke up. I was running late because of work and stuff. Woke up, so out here, man.
That's awesome. We just went to Bel Air.
Oh, it's so good.
All right, guys, we're in the city of, or the area of Bel Air. There's homes all behind these shrubberies for privacy. The Bel Air Westgate. Dang, look at this car. Ah, ooh. Hi, good morning. Afternoon. Rob doesn't know how to parallel park.
It's a Tesla, bro. Come on.
It's not doing it for some reason. What's up, bro?
I'm scared of
Hi.
Mike's car.
Hey.
What's up, dude? What's up? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so it's the American flag with the racing flag.
Yeah, ooh, okay.
So it's almost done.
Yeah.
Got
Yeah. I'm gonna back up the Tesla so it's a little closer. Imagine that shit just runs right into your car. Right there. Yeah. Okay. Kylen wants me to go drifting soon.
Yeah.
You go drifting and I'll film it.
Alright, you drifting.
Oh no. Oh no. Kai has an off-road incident.
Alright, let's not talk about that.
Yo guys, good morning. I didn't say good morning. We've been vlogging all day, but afternoon now. We're in the city of Torrance. We're hanging out with Kai. Just did a quick drop off for him, but that was his car. We used to drift with him, but now we're headed, I believe it's Norwalk or something. Anyways, let's go. What's up guys? Good morning. Today we're actually headed to San Fernando Valley, which is very far. Rob's doing a current drop off, running through an apartment. I'm catching up on paperwork down here. We're gonna head over to San Fernando. Ready, set, go. Robbie D in the house. This is a far drive. We're in the city of Sylmar now. Damn. I know, we've been everywhere. Doorbell? It's a big truck, man.
I like those birds.
I delivered on weekend. Oh, I delivered on Saturday and Sunday. Still the same results.
I like those birds. You hear it?
Sounds like a movie. Damn, Rob, look at this. Tesla's so pretty, seriously.
Did you wash it again?
No, it's called rain.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing, Rob? What are you doing? We're dedicated to... Ooh, ninja! Rob, I don't think that lady was very happy with your actions.
Pissed.
She did not look very happy with your actions, Rob.
Yo, she was pissed.
She was not happy.
She got her phone out, huh?
She took a picture of us. Ah, she sees Primal in my pants. Ah.
It's a good one, huh?
So Rob, you jumped over the fence for no reason.
Low key, the lady. Yo, she would have been pissed if we would have walked in, though.
I know.
When she opened it.
Bye-bye.
There it is.
Okay, hopefully he's here too.
Hope you're home. Here you go.
Oh my gosh. My deliveries took me to Hesperia. I am in the middle of nowhere. But I'm gonna deliver this. I'm gonna do it. This is a gated area. I don't like entering people's properties when there's a gate because you just never know if they're okay with it. Oh, I gotta find a front door. Hope there's no dog. Well, I knocked the door, nobody's here. But thank you so much for your support. I'm gonna leave it right here. Now I'm in Victorville. Where's this place? Hopefully he's home. Open. Yo, good morning. Yeah, good morning, dude. No, you look good. I brought your package. Drove all the way to Victorville.
Yeah.
Here you go. Thank you so much for this.
I didn't think it was gonna happen.
Yeah.
I messaged you yesterday.
Yeah. Dude, Victor.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, dude. Thank you. I'll just take, a bang?
Yeah.
I love bangs.
Dude, that's the
This is
best.
so good. Hey, appreciate it so much.
Oh,
for
thank
the
you.
support.
Appreciate it for driving out
Dude,
here.
no, I was telling him earlier, the weather's actually really nice here.
Yeah.
The air is super clean if you guys haven't been out this way. And I thought it rained because usually I went to LA after it rained. It's super clear. No, out here it's not.
No, it stays like this, but like I said, it's drawing out here, so hopefully we get some more people over here.
Yeah. Well, cheers to Victor, dude. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
Ooh, delivering a tuna crate box. Hopefully somebody's home. Hopefully somebody's home. Hi.
Oh, hello.
What's up? Is Angel here?
Yeah, is that his?
Yes. What's up,
Yo,
dude? What's up?
What's good?
What's your name?
Hector.
Hector, dude, Angel's not here. This is Angel's though, so I drove all the way out here to hand deliver it. Thank him.
Bro, oh my god, can I get like a picture?
Yeah, of course,
He's
man.
not gonna believe me.
Yeah, of course. He's on the phone with him.
Yeah, no, it's a YouTuber. Yeah, from Tuna Crate.
Say thank you for supporting us and all that, you know? Yeah, dude. But yeah, I'll give it to your brother, right? Yeah, I'll give it to your brother. So here, I signed the back, so hopefully you get it. Hopefully you like your stuff. Bam!
All right, I'll get a picture.
This is so cool. So I guess Angel's at work. Take a quick little picture of here. I love this.
I don't know.
Corvette right here. That's so cool. So the reaction itself is so worth it. All right, hold on. I think somebody's here. Hey. Hi. I drove in to drop off your package, dude.
Thank you, man. Appreciate
You're welcome.
it.
Is that your car?
Yeah, it's mine.
Why is it so pretty? Is it
Washed it.
bags?
Huh? No, no bags.
Dang.
I'm trying to get a little lower, but I don't know. It looks
Ooh, it does look good. Send nude.
good. I was like,
Investigator here.
yeah,
Kinda new.
because I saw your Snapchats and I was like, because I had ordered one and I was like, oh crap, I wonder if he's actually coming, because I looked at the shipment, I tried looking on my Yahoo and I didn't see anything.
No update.
No updates at all, so I was like, damn, I hope he comes.
Here it is. Here I am, and here this is. Damn, my hair is fucked up. What happened? This autocon of 16, huh?
16,
Probably
yeah.
16 or 17.
Yeah, it's 16.
Damn, I remember that. Get a startup. It sounds good. It must sound really good high up though. I like it. Thank you once again for supporting for so long. First video you watched was an insurance video.
Yeah, way back.
15 minutes or was it 15 seconds or more will save you car insurance.
Car insurance, yeah.
I know, right? All right, see ya.
All right, see you later, man.
Another Tuna Crate member dropping off. This time we're in the city of Montana. I hope you're home, Christopher. Guys, I wandered into Moreno Valley. It's quite far. Lewis, I hope you're home, buddy. His name's Lewis, right? Lewis, I'm gonna leave it here. Hopefully they'll take care of it.
I will.
I'll see you later. Shoot me a DM. I missed him by 10 minutes. Bummer. Now I'm in the city of Corona. Dr. Wynn is back. Guys, I'll take a quick second. I promise I won't take it too long. I want to really thank you guys for still watching the content. I know we're not the biggest channel, at least sure not anymore. We don't get the huge view counts, but I literally talk about this every day, how amazing it is for you guys to still support me through comments, through DMs, through views, through everything. It really helps me out. And for sure, thanks you guys who do buy this stuff, because it's literally how you support the channel. So if you guys want to support either watching or commenting or liking, subscribing, sharing, that's amazing. If you guys want to support through buying, that's even more amazing because it keeps the lights on for us. But thank you so much, guys. And I love doing these deliveries. I think it's just really fun. And I'll do as many as I can. Honestly, we've done over 100 already. Probably way more than 100 now. Probably like 140, I think it is. 140 drops. But I will vlog as much as I can. But thanks for watching, guys. And I guess I'll see you on the next video. Peace.